This is how I get my chicken wings to look like this. Open up the box, put the chicken wings into a container, some water, some salt, rub it in. Some people don't wash their chicken, each to their own, innit? What you need is curry powder, cube of Maggi, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, garlic powder, dried pepper, curry powder, a little bit of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, garlic powder. Put the dried pepper in there. Add this lemon water, mix it in. Put that in here. Okay, and then oven tray ready. Preheat the oven. 180 degrees. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you, for getting this far up to the video, hope you enjoy it and it was useful. If you found it useful, share it to your friends or someone that you might think that might actually enjoy it, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Love.